What else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad, why don't you just get the Halo Smart Lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long has this been the case?
Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultralock U-Bolt Smart Deadbolt has features like entry via your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone, as well as phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock, auto unlock when your hands are full, an anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt is modern home security, a smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the Ultralock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The Ultralock U-Bolt is a simple and safe security solution. And this peace of mind just takes minutes to install. With U-Bolt, you will never get locked out. Just use the provided backup keys if you miss the low battery modes. Bridge IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your speaker. U-Bolt, the most advanced smart deadbolt.